Wild-caught fish and farm species are typically being processed at different stages of the value chain at different locations. In many cases, the material needs to be transported from harvesting to production or between production sites across borders and to fish markets and auctions and so on. In many sectors, reusable equipment is underutilized. Large volumes are often transported in single-use equipment across the markets. My name is Hilmir Svavarsson and I am the Managing Director for iTUB. iTUB is a rental and a pooling service operator in the North Atlantic, supplying the seafood industry with reusable equipment. iTUB was founded in 2010 by the manufacturer Saeplast and few industry leaders in the Norwegian fisheries sector. Saeplast had been the supplier of quality tubs to those companies for years. They are made from long-lasting PE plastics and had replaced inefficient packaging. Thus, iTUB was established to take control of the management of the stock and improve the hygiene, the user rate, and the efficiency of the reverse logistics. Today, we operate a fleet of 60,000 containers around the market. The equipment is made from high-quality polyethylene plastic and is 100% recyclable. As iTUB is in control of the equipment throughout its lifetime, we secure the circular use of the material. This lowers the need for virgin material for the second and future generations of equipment.
If you look at the lifetime, we can say these containers can last 12 and 15 years with proper handling. We are also producing this container in an oven which are heated up with electricity. Most of the factories in the rotational business worldwide are using fossil fuel to heat up their ovens. So by producing these containers with electricity, with green energy, we are much more sustainable than others in that relation.
The iTUB concept is really an example to follow by many, and we see many following it, since it scores high on sharing economy, reusable packaging, and recyclability. The most important thing we have done is that we have implemented a rigid fleet management control system in order to make sure that the tubs doesn't end up in the sea or on a landfill or in another place in nature where it doesn't belong.
Today we have 3 ovens. One is an electrical oven and 2 are oil burners. We are going to replace these oil burners, one later this year, and the second one will be replaced before end of next year. And when we have done that, we will be fully using renewable energy in our production. That will make us much more sustainable and with a lower carbon footprint than before. There is another project we are working on, and that is to reduce the weight of the iTUB containers by 15 to 20%, and also to gain a little bit more volume at the same time. This will not affect in any way the durability or the strength of the containers, but by making them lighter, they will be with a less carbon footprint.
iTUB shall continue to be a net zero company and also continue to challenge the suppliers that we have to reduce their footprint as much as possible and also become net zero in the future. Having the systems that we have, we can in the future find out how much the emissions are when you transport the fish from A to B, and then offer compensation opportunities for that.
What iTUB has been practicing from start, the choice of material, the design and the production of the equipment, and the user phase with the pooling, repairing and recycling, it all aims to fulfill the criteria of circular economy. This is as close as we can get in offering sustainable transport equipment for fresh produce.